Hello Z, miss me? Today I'm gonna make a cover for my bed. Well, not only today, I took a few days to finish it. I'm using embossed cotton fabric that I have, so go ahead, judge the random color. I don't buy anything for this project. This is not really a bed linen, but more like a bed protector, and I'll make a bed sheet for the next project. I make this cover not only because my studio gets dusty super fast, but also for avoiding any spider, centipede, and their friends invade and sneak out into my bed. Seriously, I never saw some of those animals before in my life until I came to this studio. I don't know who they are and from which animal kingdom, but they casually walk around on the floor, on the wall, everywhere. I got scared at first, but well, this is an old building and the owner finally continued the renovations again, so I hope they will be gone very soon. Okay Z, what do you think so far? Will it be good? By the way, are you someone who loves paying attention to small details? Me? Yes. I know it's not important, we can't even see those, but well, you know, I have expensive eyes that love expensive features. Hey, it's me again. This is the moment of truth. Are you ready? I already washed the cover and I hope it didn't shrink. Look at that, it fits so well. I'm very happy. Alright, beautiful people, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it and I'll see you on my next project. Bye bye.